Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Belle Tribe TV. I'm just trying to get a quick intro in really fast because my house is so loud. But in today's video, I'm going to be cooking some air fryer catfish sandwiches. So stay tuned. So we're gonna start with the batter for the catfish. We have our Zatarain's fish fry right here. I'm gonna put 3 eggs inside of here. Okay, we got our eggs. Now we're gonna put a tiny bit of milk inside the egg. We're going to use a little bit of garlic salt, Lawry's. We're also gonna put a little bit in the batter. We're not gonna use too much because this Zatarain's fish fry is pretty well seasoned. We have some McCormick smoked paprika. We're also gonna season that. Lots. And we're gonna put that in the eggs. Okay, so we have our Zatarain's mix for the fish, and we also have some breadcrumbs that I'm gonna add. This is about a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. And then we have a third of a cup of, these are Parmesan crisp. And they're gonna go right inside of there. And we're just gonna get all that mixed in together. And this is gonna make a nice, crispy, crunchy crust for the fish. And also, I'm gonna add my chipotle to the egg. Put a little bit of that in there. Okay, so here is our catfish fillet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the egg first. And then we're gonna put it in the breading. Get that all coated and breaded really good. And we're gonna dip this one more time in the egg. Both sides. And then back in the breading. Okay, so here's all of my breaded catfish pieces. I decided to cut them in half because I realized that it wouldn't work for my air fryer. So what we're going to do now is place a few pieces at a time inside of the air fryer and get them all cooked. My air fryer is lined with a little bit of oil so that we do not stick. So, and also I did let these sit for about 10 minutes just so the breading and the crusting can stick to the fish. So we're just gonna put three pieces in there, just like that. And we're gonna do fish 330 for, it says 20 minutes, but we're gonna check it at 15 minutes. We're not gonna leave it in there for a whole 20 minutes. Okay, so while the fish is cooking, we're going to take some leftover cabbage from the other night, and we're gonna kind of make like a little slaw to go on these sandwiches. Just a little bit, we don't need a whole lot. This is Napa cabbage. And then we have a little bit of red cabbage. We'll chop this one more time. Okay, so now we're gonna work on the sauce for the slaw. We're gonna go in with 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of Best Food mayo. I'm gonna do a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. We're gonna go in with 1/2 of a lemon. Remove all seeds. And we're gonna go in with some smoked paprika. Some Cholula chipotle sauce. Some chipotle roasted garlic seasoning. So while half of it on there. And get that mixed in. And this is gonna go on the burger. Just a quick little toss. And add a little pepper. Here is the slaw for the burger. Okay, so I took the fish out and I have flipped it and I sprinkled a little bit of olive oil on top, okay? And now we're gonna let them finish. And in the meantime, we're going to toast some buns over here. Okay, so while the fish is cooking for the last few minutes, we're gonna take our bun and we're gonna toast it up. Put a little bit of butter on there. Get some grill marks on it. Put some butter on that one. Some grill marks on it. Sauce the bun. Place the air fried fish on the bun. Throw a tomato on the fish. That's what you want. That's what you want. And you take some slaw. Place it right on that tomato. If that's what you want. And you take your bun, put that bun right on top. What are you doing, baby? Hello.
Baby, come on.
You better come inside, baby. There's Corona out there. Thank you.
Dee, do you want to come and try it with me?
What?
I don't even eat catfish or something.
You don't?
I hate
TV. We're back and we have a taste
I
tester.
blocked myself out
I
because
brought
I
a
was
sandwich to
looking.
my sister-in-law Anika,
tore up
and we're gonna taste
hot
test
mess.
this sandwich together.
And I don't like catfish, so we'll see today if I do like it.
I'm gonna show it to you again.
It looks really good though.
Here we go. Panfish. Okay.
So, all right.
I'm actually pretty picky about catfish too, but
Can y'all hear Dee crunching in the background?
I like it. What do you think, Dee?
I like it.
for air fried, right?
Mm-hmm. And I'm really picky about
No
catfish.
grease.
Pretty good.
So I like it because I don't taste that muddy taste.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I stopped eating it 21 years ago.
She ain't lying.
I'm not, yeah, but this is really good.
Thank you.
I need to get an air fryer. This is really good and it's not greasy.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. That doesn't mean I'll make it, but I like it. If I had an air fryer, I would.
Yeah.
Mm.
Well, we'll just contact the Bell Tribe TV channel and we're gonna get us some.
Yeah.
This is
All
really
right.
good.
It's with the thumb. It's a thumbs up.
It is a thumbs up, yes.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.